Listening to the enchanted flute music created by Jesse Kalu, visions of nature spirits surrounded him. His flute invokes the entities as they dance and sing with him. Listening with your heart opens your mind and soul, and you are lifted to higher dimensions. Jesse lives in Sedona, and his handcrafted flutes are made from local wild bamboo. He plays in the natural music vortexes in the Sedona canyons. The sounds are fluid and magical. They resonate, restore, and transform. Lil Resnicek is a painter. After hearing Jesse's music, she was compelled to capture the essence of the sounds. Animals and spirits emerge from the rock walls of the cave as they celebrate Mother Earth and embrace the spirit of Gaia.